Okay, so it's Christmas Day here, and yeah, December 25 in Macau. So we're gonna take a little capture of what it looks like. Basically, what we're gonna do is just gonna walk straight through here, and I think we're gonna go all the way up to Sao Paulo ruins and just kind of capture the scene that we have around here, which is a lot of people taking pictures with the Christmas tree in the background and enjoying the Christmas December 25 day. So let's check it out. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So okay, we got a Christmas Day here in Senado Square in Macau, December 25, 2023. This is what it looks like at this particular time. Over there we have the post office. So we have Feliz Natal, Bom Ano Novo, Happy New Year, and Merry Christmas in Portuguese, and in English and in Chinese. So let's go right up to the let's go all the way up here. Okay. Kind of a bright, sunny day. Kind of go up to this side and see what it says as well. So same thing. So, okay. Oh, I got the Hanfu. Let's just kind of go like that. So we're gonna walk straight into this one. More Merry Christmas. December 25, 2023. I think we're gonna get a lot of crowds going up to Senado Square. But we'll capture whatever we capture. And I think actually Sao Paulo ruins is, we're in Senado Square, sorry. Sao Paulo ruins is the church. So this path goes by some churches, which I guess is quite apt for Christmas. Yeah, I think it's gonna get really crowded on this walk. But it is what it is. Here's São Domingos right up here. Try to get into the shade because it'll... So, yeah, this actually looks better at night, of course. So we're not quite going to Sao Paulo ruins, but we are going to try to get this nice view like that. São Domingos. They probably have a Christmas mass going on. I'm sure it's going to say no photos, no cameras. No, it doesn't. We won't stop by, but we'll just take a glance in. Actually, I am Catholic, so I technically could go in there, and but I want to film, so. It's one of the peculiarities of living here, because I am Catholic, so I could go in there, but since I'm Catholic, I'm already pretty familiar with Catholic churches. But the opposite is I'm more interested in the Buddhist ones. Oh, look at this. We got a lot of people. So I have more curiosity in the Buddhist ones, but I feel funny because of course Chinese people don't walk into the Buddhist ones with cameras. They walk into the Catholics, into the churches with cameras, because that's the church attraction for them to see that. So they'll have cameras usually. But for me, I want to see the Buddhist ones. So I bring in the camera, but I'm the only one doing that. Okay. This is going to get really crowded because this is not the crowded spot. The crowded spot is coming up. So this isn't even the crowded spot. So once we're on this bottleneck, it'll get a lot worse. So this would be a crowded spot right here. Phew. So yeah, we're almost there. There's a Chinese official. That car is like, I don't know what that car is. It's like a Chinese flags on it. It's like a Chinese official. Okay. So we're just gonna keep on navigating all the way up to the top. They got some musicians here. Wow, that's kind of cool. Oops, sorry. Let's try to go around. So we're gonna go all the way up to the top here. Okay, so let's check it all out. We got some people waiting for the music, I think. Very cool. So that's Christmas Day. Sao Paulo ruins. There we go. We made it. There's Sao Paulo ruins. And it's Christmas Day. Let me see what this little thing says. So it looks like they got Christmas activities today as well, at 5:30. So live performances later, but it looks like it's in a few hours, at 5:30. So okay, it's about 2:30 right now. So there we go. Macau on Christmas Day, that's what it looks like. And that's where we just came from. Okay, hope you liked it. Merry Christmas from Macau. Check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.